Okay, today we're going to practice the basic. We're going to go back to the beginning and show you some few tricks you can apply to manage it better. Don't worry about measuring everything, but let's say you do not have a ruler, then let's say you have a just straight edge object, right? And all you have to do is, if you want to make it accurate from the top to bottom, let's say I want to start from here, right? So mark it and then go to the bottom and then mark the same place, right? And then connect the line, okay? And then you can start the box. So same thing, if you want to do perfectly horizontal way, then mark it here, right? Yeah, so you mark there, and then you go to the other side and then mark the same place, and then just draw the line. So always it takes just a little bit more that you discipline yourself, and then things could be quite better. So I'm gonna skip those process to expedite the process. I'm just gonna use the thickness of the ruler for now, and then let's say you have a box, right? In 1-point perspective, 2-point perspective, doesn't matter which way you go, you're going to use the exact same routine to create a perfectly balanced and proportional items. So you have a corner to corner. You already know that corner to corner you connect, and then you will find the center points, right? If you want to find the perfectly vertical line, then you just want to add another one on the bottom, right? And then you find the corner, the center again. And then basically you are connecting this to that, and then you are creating perfectly vertical lines. Same thing with the left and right. If you have continue this line, right? And all you have to do is go, but do all these lines lightly. You don't have to make it dark, right? And then let's say, there we go. And then all you have to do is connect these two lines, right? So I made everything flat, but if this is a 2-point perspective or a 1-point perspective, remember these parts goes and narrow and go to the vanishing point, same thing, right? But then I'm gonna do it right after I finish this. So the question next is, remember we try to create a column, right? So if you want to create the same column as this length, right? And all you have to do is connect from this corner and then this corner. So let's try to do accurate, but remember the thickness of the ruler do not allow me to do it quite well. So here, right? So if I measure this here from this to here, and that should be same, right? Good. So that's how you create a big column and proportionally same. If you want to create these, there are two parts, right? 1 and 2. If you want to have that thickness, then you connect this corner to that corner, right? And then that's going to be the 3rd and 4th column. Good. And some people ask me that, what if I want to divide this parts into 3, right? Then what you need to do is connect this part to here, right? Do you see this part? And then that's exactly where the 3rd part you can divide into. So do the same, right? If you do it this way, right? So there, and then you connect this way, and then you have first part, second part, and third part, right? Okay, so that's how you divide into 3 sections. Good. All right, so slightly it's off, so this line should have been here, but that's okay, you get the idea, right? So if you can use these rules and you can apply to, let's say there's a vanishing point here, and the things are going this way, and let's say I want to go into this using this column, then all you have to do is connect here, connect there, and then there's a center. So you connect the center to the vanishing point, right? And then if you connect this corner to that corner, here to there, then this is the parts that divide this proportionally getting reduced, right? So same thing, since we have this part and this part have established, all you have to do is just keep repeating that process. And then there will be the third column, right? First, second, third, and then fourth, and then you keep repeating the process. If this one is on, let's say, this angle, right? Let's say this is my vanishing point. If I want to reduce everything in this manner, right? And then let's say I want to use this as a first column, right? And then there's a letter, right? Or here, doesn't matter which way. The first thing you need to do is find the center, right? Since if you do not have a ruler, it's hard to find the center, but you just do the same thing. In any shape you do, it's a 4 side box, then you just connect the corner to corner, and that's how you find the center. So this one is the center, you connect, and then now you have 2 points you can connect to, find out what's going to be the next proportional column will be, right? So first one, second one, right? After that, it gets easier because you already established the points to connect, right? And then there will be the third, right? It's a little bit off. Okay, so that's how you keep reducing the columns proportionally. So it's from here to here, connect, right? And then they're going to be another. Doesn't matter which angle you go, you apply the same. 3-point perspective, 2-point perspective, 1-point perspective, which way you're going to angle everything. If you know how to do this, even without the any numbers, right, you can still manage to solve everything proportionally, right? I hope you keep this in your mind when you do the perspective design next time. Please apply this to make things accurate, right? Even though it takes a little more time, better design at the end, right? Thank you.